Good day! In this video, we are going to do question 3B of the 2024 NCEA Level 2 Probability Method in Solving Problem exam. So without further ado, let's do question 3B, and this is an excellent question. Okay, so the question sounds like this. Okay, we're going to adjust the paper, make it so you can see it, okay? So this is a table, learn foreign language in table 1 and learn musical instrument, whether they develop MCI or did not develop MCI, and all the numbers are in there. Okay, so Susie look at the table of the data and say it is twice as likely for people to develop MCI if they learn music for over 4 years than if they learn a language over 4 years. Explain Susie's incorrect reasoning and with valid calculation correct her statement. Okay, so we're going to do part 1. Why is Susie incorrect? Susie only looked at the raw data. So for example, 85 over 42. So 85 over 42 is that slightly more than double. So that is why she is wrong. Okay. So that is not the right way to do. In fact, we have to look at the proportion. So we are going to calculate the probability they develop MCI if they learn a language over 4 years. So remember, language is the top part. So if the proportion is going to be 42 out of the total of 124, and the percentage or the probability is 0.3387. Please check the calculator for me, and that should be giving you the answer of 0.3387 when you divide 42 by 124. However, if a person developed MCI if they learn music over 4 years, music is this table here. So what we're going to do, music is 85 out of 285. And again, we have calculated the probability is 0.3295. So what is the valid calculation? So we can see that the numbers are pretty close, okay? So to conclude, we can conclude the following. We can conclude that the chance of developing MCI is quite close to each other, whether you learn a language or you learn a music over 4 years. So to do that, we're going to calculate the relative risk. So the relative risk, you can take this number, 0.3387 divided by 32895 is going to be 1.029. So it is very close to 1. So they are quite similar. It's not twice as likely. So it's very close to each other. So that's how you answer. If you can answer that, that's an excellence in this question. And we shall do the last question, which is question 3C of the exam. Hope you watched 3C, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers everyone, have a great day.